Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing your account balance grow. Without rushing to work, without sitting in traffic, without answering to anyone. In 2026, that dream isn't far-fetched anymore. The world has changed, and technology has made it easier than ever to build real passive income streams that keep paying you month after month. So today, I'm going to show you 7 real ways to earn passive income in 2026 that actually work. These aren't those fake get-rich-quick ideas. These are tested, modern, and future-proof income sources anyone can start, even with little money. So grab a notebook, sit tight, and listen carefully, because one of these ideas might literally change your life this year. And hey, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment which idea sounds most exciting to you. Because trust me, you're going to want to try at least one of them by the end of this video. Now, let's talk about something that's exploding in 2026, AI-powered content creation. If you've ever thought about blogging, YouTube, or even TikTok, you no longer need a full team or crazy skills. Artificial intelligence tools can now write blogs, design thumbnails, edit videos, and even generate voices. Imagine setting up a system once, where AI creates weekly videos or articles for you, and all you do is upload and earn from ads, sponsors, or affiliate links. There are creators right now making thousands each month because their AI tools keep running in the background. You just set the system up once, feed it good ideas, and let it roll. It's like building a digital machine that never sleeps. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius, just consistent. Now let's talk about a bigger opportunity that's blowing up quietly, Micro SaaS. It stands for Micro Software as a Service, which basically means small apps solving tiny problems. In 2026, people are creating these mini tools with AI help, like productivity dashboards, note organizers, or automation tools, and selling monthly subscriptions. Once the app is built, it runs automatically. You don't have to do anything except keep an eye on updates. For example, someone built a $10 a month invoice generator for freelancers and now earns over $5,000 every single month, completely passive. Imagine that code once, earn forever. And with AI coding assistance now available, even beginners can make it happen. Here's another solid source, automated e-commerce. People keep saying dropshipping is dead. It's not. It's just smarter now. In 2026, automation tools can manage your store, your inventory, even your customer service without you touching anything. You connect your online store to fulfillment centers, use AI chatbots for answering customers, and set smart ads that target your perfect buyers. Once it's all connected, the system literally runs on autopilot. You get sales while you sleep. You don't pack boxes, you don't reply to emails, you just monitor your dashboard. Some entrepreneurs have turned a few $100s into full-time passive income through this. Now, let's get into one of my personal favorites, subscription-based digital products. This is where creativity meets smart income. You create something once, like digital templates, eBooks, online lessons, or design packs, and instead of selling it one time, you offer access through a subscription. For example, you can offer new business templates every month, or weekly design bundles for creators. People pay you monthly, you deliver automatically using simple tools, and the money comes in regularly. The subscription model is growing super fast in 2026 because people prefer small monthly payments instead of big one-time ones. You can even use AI to create your digital products faster. Once it's live, you just keep updating it a little, and it keeps paying you. Now, let's step into the world of smart investing, AI-enhanced investing. Gone are the days of guessing stocks or staring at charts all day. AI tools now track data 24/7, spot market patterns, and suggest the best moves for you. From stocks to ETFs, crypto to real estate funds, AI can handle it all. In 2026, a lot of people are using AI-based investment platforms that automatically rebalance their portfolios for the highest returns. You don't have to be a financial expert. Just set your risk level, deposit your funds, and the system does the rest. That's real passive income. The money works for you while you sleep, literally. Let's move on to a unique but super powerful opportunity, renting digital assets. Sounds fancy, but it's actually simple. Just like renting real estate, You can rent digital property. You can buy premium website domains, build small websites that get traffic, or even create niche Instagram or YouTube channels and rent them out to businesses. For example, if you create a cooking page and it grows, you can rent it to kitchenware brands for monthly promotions. You can also rent your website's ad space or your AI tools to small businesses who can't afford to build their own. You own the digital asset, and they pay you to use it. This is a 2026 goldmine because digital space is becoming more valuable every day. And finally, let's talk about something that connects people and profits at the same time: niche membership communities. People are tired of big, noisy social media spaces. In 2026, they're paying to join small, focused groups where they can actually learn and connect. You can start one around anything you're good at: fitness, freelancing, finance, motivation, or even book reading. Platforms like Patreon, Discord, or Telegram let you charge a small monthly fee. You give your members special access to tips, tools, or live Q&A sessions, and over time, your group keeps growing, and your income becomes steady and passive. Once your community is active, you can step back and let the engagement run itself while the subscriptions keep rolling in. Now, let's pause for a second and think about this. All these ideas, AI content systems, micro SaaS, automated stores, digital products, AI investing, renting digital assets, and membership communities, they all have one thing in common. They're built once and keep paying you long after you stop working daily. That's what true passive income means. You don't have to work harder, you just have to work smarter. And 2026 is the perfect time because AI, automation, and the internet have removed almost every barrier that existed before. The question is, will you take action? Because passive income doesn't start on its own. You've got to put in the setup work once. Maybe it's one weekend building your digital product, or 1 month setting up your store, or one night researching your niche. But once it's done, it pays you back for years. That's how freedom is built, brick by brick, system by system. So, if you've watched till here, I want you to promise yourself one thing. Pick just one idea from this video and start it within the next 7 days. Don't overthink, don't wait for the perfect time. Just start small and stay consistent. A year from now, you'll thank yourself that you started today. And if you found even one idea helpful, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information. Drop a comment below and tell me which passive income idea you're planning to start this year. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future videos packed with practical ideas to help you earn smarter, live freer, and create the lifestyle you deserve. Because remember, 2026 is the year of smart income. Not hard labor, not endless hustling, but smart, automated, meaningful income that gives you time to live your life the way you want. So take that first step today.